Alright, welcome back. So now we're going to do our unboxing video of our fuel cutoff valve. And I've got my two helpers with me for this video, so now I've got both hands. I've got the young professional video person and a young professional lighting person. And they are my daughters, and they are helping me out. And this box is going to fight with me. Right.
The box angry at you.
I know, right? It's like not wanting to cooperate. Alright, so that's the part number. Again, this was bought off of Amazon. I just cross-referenced the size part I need, just to find what I needed. But this has got a 16 millimeter nut, so it should be a direct replacement. It's actually meant for a Honda four-wheeler, but that should screw right on. And this is our fuel on, off, and reserve. So it gives us a reserve and an off. So, and then obviously I think this is how this guy works. It's just going to go right in there and screw into the fuel tank, and that floats in there, and we should be good to go. And fuel line will hook right up to there. We'll be good. Alright.